Hey guys, today on Simply Mercy B, we're putting together a big breakfast omelet, and I will be pairing them with smoked sausage and bagels. Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to need to make our big breakfast omelet. Today I'm keeping it simple. I'm only using red onion and tomato for my vegetables. I have my eggs and I have some shredded cheese. And we're going to need some spices. Salt and pepper is all I need. And of course some oil to season our griddle. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and get our eggs cracked. So we're going to add a little salt to this. And a little black pepper, or as much as you like. You're going to add some half and half, just a splash. That's probably about about a tablespoon. That's probably about a tablespoon. And get them all whisked up. And we're going to go ahead and set this to the side and get our vegetables prepared. Now we're just going to season our griddle with some butter. We want it to be nice and hot. And I like to add just a little bit of canola oil to mine. Okay. We're going to go ahead and get our vegetables on there. Now we want to go ahead and season our vegetables as well. Same ingredients. I got a little Himalayan salt here, pink Himalayan. Put a little bit of that on my vegetables, as well as some black pepper. Once you got everything sauteed up, go ahead and take it up. We're going to turn our griddle down some here. So we're going to add a little bit more butter to our griddle so that we can cook our eggs. A little bit of oil. Turn our griddle back up. So now we're simply going to add our eggs slowly to our griddle. Oops. So now we're just going to take it and cut it in half. This is an omelet for 2. So we're going to cut it in half like so. Let it continue to cook. Alright, so this is the tedious part. Let's get ready. We have to flip them. So if you let it cook enough, it will flip easily, just like that. And I like to go in and hit mine with just a little bit more salt on top of that egg. Make sure it's well seasoned. Go ahead and add my cheese to the bottom there. The egg is done now, so I can go ahead and turn my griddle to warm. Everything is done. The cheese will melt from the heat of the egg. Take our vegetables, half on one, half on the other. A little bit more on this side. Take your omelet, close it up. I like to take a little bit of cheese and add it right on top. Our omelets are done. I'm serving my omelets this morning along with some sausage that I cooked in the air fryer. I sliced up some of those purple onion and added to my sausage. And see, these omelets, they can actually be cut again because they're so big. So that could be dinner, that can be breakfast for 4 instead of breakfast for 2. Causing how hardy you like for your breakfast to be. I went ahead and toasted some bagels. So we're gonna have bagels alongside this beautiful breakfast. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it has inspired you to make you a nice hearty breakfast this morning. But my main focus was the omelet this morning. Enjoy. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please leave me some comments down below. And always remember to keep life simple. And until next time, I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.